Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and in today's lesson we'll learn about the 10 phrases of Italian. I'll post every day a video so you can practice with me your Italian every day. If you want to learn a language, you all need to practice this language in your daily routine every day. Okay? So let's begin. Our first phrase is C'è il sole. It's sunny. C'è il sole. C'è il sole. C'è vento. It's windy. C'è vento. It's windy. È nuvoloso. È nuvoloso. It's cloudy. È nuvoloso. It's cloudy. Nuvoloso, cloudy. Sole, sunny. And vento, windy. Sole, sunny. Vento, windy. Nuvoloso, cloudy. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is umido. Umido. It's humid. Umido. Next one is è una giornata perfetta per. It's a perfect day for example, a party. È una. It's a giornata day perfetta perfect per for. È una giornata perfetta per. It's a perfect day for. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and click the like button for more helpful videos like this. Mi piace il tuo. I like your. Mi piace il tuo. I like your. I like your dress, for example, you can say. Next one is sei molto gentile. Sei molto gentile. You are very kind. Sei, you are, molto, very, gentile, kind. Sei molto gentile. Next one is sono contento di averti conosciuto. Conosciuto for the masculine one and conosciuta for the feminine one. I'm glad to have met you. Sono contento. I'm glad. Di averti conosciuto. I'm glad to have met you. Next one is mi piace molto parlare con te. I really enjoy talking to you. I really enjoy talking to you. Mi piace. I like molto, really, parli, talking con, with. Te, you. I really enjoy talking to you. Mi piace molto parlare con te. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Next one is mi mancherai. I will miss you. Mi mancherai. I will miss you. Repeat after me if you want. Mi mancherai. I'll miss you. Mi manchi, I miss you. And I will miss you. Mi mancherai. Okay? If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. If you want to learn Italian faster, then you will love this channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.